In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Supervision in Google account. This process is done from the child's device first, and it lets a parent manage settings and permissions using Google Family Link. Before you begin, make sure the child's device is on, connected to the internet, and you have access to the parent's Google account sign-in details. Also, keep the child with you, because the setup requires consent on the child's screen. Start by opening the Settings app on the child's device. Scroll until you find Google, then tap it. Inside the Google section, look for Parental Controls and select it. This area is where Google helps you connect a child or teen account to a parent for supervision. On the Parental Controls screen, select Get Started. When you are asked who will be using the device, choose Child or Teen. This selection is important because it tells Google to apply supervision features designed for younger users. Next, you will be prompted to sign in with the parent's Google account. Carefully enter the parent's account information and continue. Use the parent account you want to be responsible for supervision, since this account will be used to approve requests and manage settings later. After the parent account is signed in, follow the on-screen prompts that appear on the child's device. Take your time and read each screen so you understand what permissions are being requested. When you reach the consent step, tap Allow on the child's screen to give permission for supervision. This consent is required for the supervision to be active, and it confirms that the child's account can be managed by the parent. Once the prompts finish, the final piece is installing the Family Link app on the parent's phone. Open your phone's App Store, search for Google Family Link, and install it. After installation, open Family Link and sign in with the same parent Google account you used during setup. From there, you will be able to manage parental controls, review settings, and adjust supervision options as needed. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.